like this. It is created on my Facebook page. Here you can see the message that the chatbot can send automatically. So this is my client that can I sell chatbot for their company. This is the message you can read. It can try and test this is my chatbot before you buy, so I build for him. So today I show you how can I do this. So first of all, visit this website. Name is newoka.ai. Here you can see the pricing. This costs you $19 a month, and this give you this much feature, and also provide why this is so affordable and provide this much value at this much price. I said this is I like this website, so I saw you build this website. So first of all, visit my chatbot. When you can create your account. I already create an account, so I don't show. So this is my chatbot that I created for demo. So you can choose create from a template. Here you can see this is most template. You can create any using of this, but now I choose from a for myself. So you can upload your txt file to train this chatbot model, or use a text, use manually to write and copy paste, and just paste website URL. So you can paste your website. So demo purpose I use this website. So I just copy this and show how, and just click on fetch link. You can use AutoSense, sitemap, XML. You can just paste your sitemap, and this can automatically retrain your bot when content is updated and based on your content. So I like this feature very much. Submit sitemap. I can say you can use this. So it can detect line links for this website. You can see the links. Now I can get some Q&A, so you can use. So anybody asks who are you can just enter your name, or you can say AI assistance, anything. You can based on your own. You can train and paste Q&A. So our chatbot is now ready, so we can ask some question based on this website, based on your website. So our completed is 50% ready. Now we can wait a couple of minutes to train. So it can consume a lot of time. I think it can take time to crawl the page. If your website is big, it can take a long minute. So our work is done now. Let's see what happens. We can embed this on Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp in our website. So today I can only show you how can I embed this on my Facebook page. It can our chat is trained. You can ask any question. Simply ask what is time now. Here you can see this is time. So here I can ask how to build chatbot. you can see this can give us answer why the instance message is required. The recent Harvard University showed that we can reply our prospect within 5 minutes, that the conversation rate is go up above 78%. So this is matter. So I can show you. You can just ask question any. You can customize what is chatbot name. I just want to new chatbot. You can set as a public template. I don't want that. Or you can just edit this prompt. So you are you can rewrite from a ChatGPT. So you are adjusting chatbot assistance. You can customize this prompt based on your behalf. Based what are you doing, you can use error message. What can show you this is the model which you can use. So you can use any of these: GPT 4.1, Manity Pro, Nano, Cloud 3.7. This is the best model I like. And DeepSeek. And you can add your API key from here. And action. You can add this yesterday record if you are e-commerce company to provide any to sell product based on your company behalf. You can set up HTTP record where you can this AI can fetch data and provide this feature I like most for HTTP request for e-commerce any business data required. We can customize this chatbot. So this is the message. Here you can see anybody asks a suggested message. We can add how can I help you. So anybody this message can solve here. You can see you can customize what theme you use, custom CS, ISO shadows, and the color message. We can upload icon, update chat icon. We can upload from here. Chat bubble with okay. We can add Facebook, WhatsApp, anything here. You can see look like this. And this is the demo message so from here. And we can add privacy policy, anything regarding our website. And this is the security. So we can on this from a specific domain. So we can only limit if user can only message 20 messages in every 240 seconds. If 20 then more question asked, this chatbot can't reply. This feature I like. So we can add our domain to embed or just from here. We can cross this from here. We can add voice here to train. Anybody can ask question and it can automatically reply like a AI voice agent. You can call and it can talk to prospect. And we add grab lead from a chat. From a prospect we can display every question or display for human takeover. I choose this. I only grab first email or phone number. I don't want to message any privacy policy. Or you can see our chat, or here you can see our lead. We can add HTTP request to automatically add in our CRM. Here you can see our appointment. This is our voice logo. What prospect our chat on phone call. So we can enable appointments to collect. We can add Calendly, Google Calendar, to book appointment automatically for our company. So enable custom. This means we can see our chat, what prospect is talking. We can see in live here. We can on this. So this is our source where you can train our chat. We can keyword trigger to automatically. So this is the URL we can copy and paste in our website to add this chatbot, or we can open this link to see how our chatbot look like. So you can just paste this and open. Here you can see this is the demo version. So now I can show you how can I build for Messenger. Here you can see our message. This is message that can I show you. It can show this thing before customer reply, or this is the voice or chat only. So I can cross, and now I can integrate it in our Facebook. We can integrate our Google Voice, phone, text, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So I can integrate this our Facebook. So we can authorize our account. So we can continue this part. Make sure your account is world. So I already connected. I don't want to connect, and not now. You need to and just select your Facebook page, and it can automatically integrate it. So I think I need to reconnect to show you, so I can visit. So integration, and just click on Facebook. So this chatbot is integrated on Facebook. This is our new chatbot. Make sure you rename it correct, and just click on Facebook and authorize. You need to allow access. I want to reconnect this to connect in our another page. So I just click reconnect, and here you can see. And now I would like look which page I want to connect. So I already set with our this in our another Facebook page. I don't show you now. I need to connect to the another Facebook account. I connected much Facebook page. Thank you. You just not need to choose Facebook page and continue, and that's okay. It can automatically integrated to chat with your Facebook Messenger. You need to open another Facebook profile and visit your Facebook page and chat. That can work automatically. That's in this video. Thank you.